Hi, I'm Ron Paccioni with the Kigran Group. I'm here with our weekly update on Turquoise, this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in McCormick Ranch is taking shape. Let's go take a look. So we have the new flooring in. We have the painting and texturing of the garage is all done. It's a 3-car garage. We're going to go through the laundry room today. All the paint's done here. Nice two-tone here. They're just opening and starting to put together the cabinets. Out here. The floor is in the pool. This blue Pebble Tec. It looks gorgeous with the tile here. We also have some construction going off here on the side. They're putting together an enclosure for the air conditioner. All the painting is done in here. Looks great. Doors are on, looking sharp. The wires are in, ready to go with the new LED lighting. Look at the view of this pool from up here now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this week's tour of Turquoise. We've got a couple more weeks left. It looks like construction, and then we'll have this one up for sale again. If you want any more information about Turquoise or 80th Place or even any other listing I might have, give me a call, 602-574-9587. It's Ron Paccioni.